Hi superstars! Today we want to make Zobo drink, also known as hibiscus drink. Zobo is very healthy and packed with lots of antioxidants. So for this recipe we'll need our Zobo leaves. This is our Zobo leaves, also known as hibiscus leaves. Next we need our pineapple. We'll be using natural sweeteners, so I'll be using pineapple to sweeten my Zobo. Next, we'll need our ginger. We need ginger to spice up the Zobo. It adds flavor to the Zobo. Next, my superstars, we need cloves. Cloves is very good for the body and also makes Zobo have this delicious taste. Next, we use date. That's my date seed. I had soaked it in water overnight. Okay, my superstars. So the date is also a sweetener. It makes the Zobo delicious. Alright, so now we're going to wash our Zobo leaves. Zobo leaves carry a lot of dirt, so you need to wash it and make sure it is clean. Wash it with a lot of water, and while washing it you need to heat it on the surface of water to get rid of stone, dirt or whatever impurities that came with the Zobo. Okay, my superstars. After washing the Zobo, you set it aside. Next, you wash your pineapple. You will have to wash the peel of the pineapple thoroughly because we are going to use the peel while cooking the Zobo. Okay, my superstar, so you need to wash it. Make sure there's no dirt or sand on the surface of the pineapple peel. Next, you start peeling the pineapple. You peel the pineapple into a tray. Next, you pour your Zobo into a pot. Then you add the pineapple peels to the Zobo pot. Wash your cloves and then add it to the pot. Then you start processing your date. Date has a seed in the center, so you open it up and remove the seed so that when you're blending it doesn't destroy your blender. Okay, my superstars, so right now we are opening the date seed, the date to remove the seed. Next, you start preparing your ginger. You wash it thoroughly and cut it into small sizes that will be blended easily. So I had washed the ginger right now and I'm trying to cut it into small sizes before putting it into my blender to blend. Next, you put the ginger in the blender and you add water to it and blend the ginger. After blending it, you pour it into your pot of Zobo leaves with pineapple peel and cloves. Next, you start cutting the pineapple into sizable portions. Next, you put it into your blender. Then add water to it. Close it and blend. After blending it, you set it aside. You pour it into a bowl or basin and set it aside. Next is your date seed. You pour in the date fruit into the blender, add water, and then you blend it. After blending it, my superstars, you pour it into a basin or plate and then you set it aside. Next, to the pot of Zobo leaves, pineapple peel, ginger mix and cloves, you add water. You add water to cover the peels and everything in the pot. Then you cover it and cook it. After 10 to 15 minutes, if it boils very well, you open the pot and your Zobo is well cooked. Next, my superstars, when it's cool, you pour it into a sifter and sieve the water. All we need is the water of the Zobo, not any other thing. Okay, so that's a Zobo in there. As you can see, my superstars, this Zobo is concentrated because we'll be adding all the date blended liquid with the pineapple juice to the Zobo. Okay, my superstars, so our Zobo is very concentrated, but you can choose to make yours less concentrated by adding more water when you're cooking it. So right now we are sieving the pineapple juice into the Zobo. After adding our date juice and pineapple juice, our Zobo is ready. You can pour it into any container of your choice and store it in a refrigerator. We've not added any additives or preservative to this Zobo. So at any time it can start fermentation. So you need to keep it in the refrigerator to prevent it from fermentation. Also, my superstars, I made this Zobo concentrated because it's easier to store in the refrigerator. When you are drinking, you can add your ice cubes and it won't be over diluted. Okay, so you can also reduce the concentration when you're cooking yours, or you could choose to leave it this way. And also, the Zobo leaves, after cooking, I didn't throw it away because it still had lots of Zobo in it. So I added water to the pot and cooked it again and had a lot of Zobo from it for use. Okay, my superstars, if there's anything you have not understood so far, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And please, my superstars, take a second to like this video and share this video. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. And my superstars, please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Mwah.